Welcome to this edition of the First Aid Show. Unfortunately, knife crime is more common in today's society. It is very important that if you do come across someone who needs help, that you keep safe. In this film, we asked a paramedic about keeping safe at the scene of a knife injury.
In any incident where there has been a violent fight, a knife crime, injury, gunshot, something significant like that, the utmost important step is for you to keep yourself safe. There is no point if there's already 1 or 2 casualties for us to then have to treat more casualties. So even if you feel compelled to help, it's really important that you keep yourself safe. If you think that this incident is ongoing and there may be a gang or a team of people on scene and it hasn't resolved, keep yourself safe. If you can call for help, that's really, really important, but you are encouraged to hide and keep yourself out of sight and not get involved.